In this lecture, let us discuss about missionaries and cannibals problem. Say, assume that there is a river and there are three missionaries and three cannibals. Now, so our task is we need to move these missionaries and cannibals from one side of the river to another side. So for that, in in order to go from one place to another, they are using one boat. So there is only one boat which is available, and the capacity of that boat is it can hold only up to two people. So they can use that in order to cross the river. So if the cannibals are more than the missionaries, then missionaries will get eaten. So, by keeping this point in our mind, we need to apply the logic. So, then half the boat can be used to safely carry all the missionaries and cannibals across the river. So, by satisfying this constraint, we need to achieve this task. So, here you can see in the picture, there are three cannibals and three missionaries, and there is only one boat. So, initially, they are towards left side of the river, and finally, all of them are towards the destination side. So we are using notations like L and R. So L represents left side of the river, that is starting side, and R represents right side of the river, which is destination side. So these are some rules, and this is state representation. So if the state is represented as 0, m, which indicates that there is one missionary which is sailing the boat from left side of the river, which can even be represented as riverbank 1, to right side of the river, that is riverbank 2. Say if it is moving from destination to source, that is from right side to left side, then state should be represented like this: one missionary sailing the boat from right side of the river to left side. And if there are two missionaries which are sailing from left to right, then two missionaries should be represented as m comma m. And if they are sailing from left to right, sorry, right to left, again the same representation can be used. And if there is one missionary and one cannibal sailing from left to right, then this is the state. And one missionary and one cannibal sailing from right to left, then you need to use this notation. And if there are two cannibals sailing from left to right, so this is similar to rule 3. So there are two missionaries here, whereas here we are carrying or we are taking two cannibals at a time. And the same state can be used for sailing the boat from right to left also. Say there is only one cannibal sailing from left to right. So this is again similar to rule 1. So instead of missionary, we need to write cannibal. If it is from right to left, then it should be C comma 0. So by using these rules, let us solve the problem. Okay. So initially, all six, like all three missionaries and three cannibals, they are towards left side of the river, that is river bank 1. And there are so no one is present at the right side of the river, that is river bank 2, and boat position is towards left side. So with the help of this boat, now they need to cross the river. So let us apply this rule 5. So one missionary and one cannibal crossover. So here we are taking one missionary and one cannibal. They are moving towards right side of the river. So when they move from left side to right side, obviously boat also, it will because using the boat only they are moving, right? So boat position is now, boat is towards right side of the river. And after that, so while coming back from right side to left side, so here we are again taking we are bringing this missionary back to river bank 1. So now one comes back, and that is missionary. So as there is no missionary towards right side now the cannibal is the only one who is towards right side of the river. So now boat position is towards left side. After that, so now the task is we need to take two cannibals from left to right. So now we are having three missionaries and two cannibals. So if you take two cannibals towards left side, then towards right side, Then there will be 3 cannibals towards right side of the river, and there are 3 missionaries towards left side, and boat is towards right side of the river. And again after that, we are bringing one cannibal from right side to left side, because there should be at least one person on the boat, right, in order to come back. So we are again bringing this cannibal towards the left side of the river, and this is the notation, and boat is towards left side. After that, we are taking 2 missionaries towards right side. So if you take the 2 missionaries here, then towards right side of the river, now we have 2 missionaries and 2 cannibals, and boat is towards right side. And now we are again while coming back, so we are moving, so a missionary and cannibal will return now. So one missionary and one cannibal will return on the boat while moving from right to left. So there are 2 missionaries and cannibals towards left side, and there will be only one missionary and one cannibal towards right side of the river, and boat is towards left side. After that, you need to move. So 2 missionaries should cross again now. So take these 2 missionaries. So if you move these 2 missionaries towards right side, now we have 3 missionaries and one cannibal towards right side of the river, and there are 2 cannibals in the left side. So boat is towards right. Boat is at the right side of the river now. Now while coming back, so we are bringing one cannibal while coming from right to left, and after that notation is like this. So 3 cannibals at the left side and 3 missionaries at the right side, and boat is towards, or boat is at the left side of the river. Then you can take 2 cannibals to the right side of the river. So when you move these 2 cannibals, then at the right side of the river, there are 3 missionaries and 2 cannibals, and boat is towards right side of the river. There is only one cannibal in the left side of the river. And when one cannibal returns back with the boat, so that there will be 2 cannibals in the left side, and in the right side there are 3 missionaries and one cannibal. So finally, you'll take these 2 cannibals to the right side of the river, so that there are so here there is no one in the left side of the river, and all the missionaries and cannibals, they crossed this river using this boat. So they are towards right side of the river, and boat is at the right side. Okay, so this is the final state, right? This is a goal state. Initially, all 6 of them are towards left side of the river, and now they are towards right side of the river.